Welcome to this Redis demo on IBM Power Systems. I will be talking briefly about NoSQL, Redis and Redis Labs Enterprise Cluster, Redis Lab solutions on IBM Power Systems, and we are going to benchmark a Redis database to show you how fast it can go. NoSQL databases have a different data model, making them distinct from relational databases. They can run on-premise, in your data center, or in the cloud. NoSQL means not only SQL. NoSQL databases are not relational. They make use of simple data models. They are fast, scalable, and highly available. There are various types of NoSQL databases, like key value store, column store, document store, and graph stores. Redis is a high-performant, open-source key-value in-memory database. It is able to achieve high throughput with very low latencies. It is versatile and has a very strong ecosystem. You can access it from many popular programming languages like Java, Node.js, PHP, Python, and many others. Redis Labs sponsor the development of Redis, and they steer the evolution of open source Redis. They have adapted open source Redis for enterprise use into a product called Redis Labs Enterprise Cluster. Redis Labs is the leading commercial provider for Redis. Redis Labs has contributed value-added services to open source Redis like clustering, high availability, a graphical interface, sharding, and many other features while ensuring full compatibility with open source Redis. Redis Labs provide enterprise class management and support for the Redis Labs Enterprise Cluster. According to independently conducted benchmarks, Redis is regarded as the world's fastest database, and this chart shows us how Redis Labs stacks against other NoSQL databases in terms of transactions per second and latency. And this chart shows us how many servers are required to deliver 1 million operations per second. Redis has a lot of use cases. It can be used in applications requiring high-speed transactions, analytics, caching, geospatial search, and it spans many verticals. In this segment, we're going to talk about Power System solutions for Redis Labs Enterprise Cluster. As we all know, the Power 8 processor is designed for data. It is capable of 8 threads per core. It has more memory bandwidth and more cache than the x86 architecture. This design paradigm results in high performance for data-centric workloads. IBM Power Systems has a rich portfolio. You can run in the cloud using soft layer or on the LC models, the L models, Pure Power, or enterprise-grade machines. There are two Redis Lab deployment options on IBM Power Systems. The first one is the scale-out server deployment. This solution uses servers from the Power L or LC product line and uses only memory. The second one is the IBM Data Engine for NoSQL, which uses Power Linux only servers with CAPI technology to deliver low latency memory from external flash storage. This solution uses memory and flash. Now, I'll be running a benchmark of a Redis database created in Redis Labs Enterprise Cluster running on Power. I will be showing you how fast Redis can go on IBM Power hardware. This slide shows us the architecture of our demonstration. On the left-hand side, we have an IBM Power SA22LC with 20 cores and 512 GB of RAM with Redis Lab Enterprise Cluster running in a container. On the second server to the right, we have an IBM Power SA12LC with 20 cores, 256 GB of RAM with a workload driver running in a container. In between the two servers, we have a 10 gigabits per second Ethernet connection. On the terminal to the right, I will be initiating the workload using memtier benchmark to drive traffic to the Redis database. On the left, the window you see is the Redis Labs Enterprise Cluster GUI, showing metrics of the database we are benchmarking. On the topmost left corner, the graph shows the total operations per second, and the graph on the topmost right corner shows the latency of the total operations in milliseconds. We currently have 400 connections from the workload driver, pushing data at a total of 2 gigabits per second. As you can see, the database is able to handle an average of 1.8 million operations per second at an average latency of 2.18 milliseconds. Now you have seen how fast a Redis NoSQL database can run on IBM Power Systems. Thank you for watching.